Since this pandemic has begun, each week during our worship service, I announce the names of people who've lost loved ones to COVID 19. And some weeks, that list has become so long, I've barely been able to get through it. This is a life and death issue, one that we've never seen before in our generation. So if you don't know someone personally who has been impacted by COVID 19, meet me. Meet my family and friends and the people who go to our church. We've lost loved ones, and we don't want to see you in the same position.
It is devastating. We have to understand that we have a role to play in this, and we have to be responsible and do our part.
The reason I wanted to participate in the clinical trials is very simple. I saw it as my small way of contributing to the fight against COVID-19. I've not served in the military, I'm not an essential worker, but this is one way I thought that I could be a part of the process and the solution of making sure that persons would have confidence in the vaccine because they could see people that look like them who had participated in the trial. We've been taking vaccines our whole lives. They've been approved by the same government, the same processes. Let's move forward and get back to real life.
If we do not take this vaccination, if we don't participate in the trials, our people are going to die. African Americans are going to be hit exponentially worse than any other community. And so we have to do our part. The ones who are healthy, the ones who have the ability and the access have to do our part to help save our community.
So there's good news in that while the vaccines are in short supply right now, we've gotten great leadership, and now we're seeing that the country is turning, the scientific community is working together, and we can expect a great ramp up in supply in the next few weeks.
It is vitally important that we stop the spread of this COVID-19, and the only way that we can do it is if you take the vaccination, if you socially distance, if you wear your mask, if you wash your hands. It's really that simple.
Learn more at covidlink.maryland.gov.
Vaccinate to protect the people you love.